I'm Veronica Montague. I'm a design engineer for connecting rods and bearings and a few other engine components. So I'm responsible for testing, validating, failure analysis, reliability, part improvements, a little bit of research and development, everything pertaining to those parts from the design standpoint. A day is not typical. It can be anything from writing reports to going out in the field and doing some inspections on engines, to being here and doing inspections on engines, failure analysis, doing some development on parts like stress analysis or research, concept design. A lot of teamwork and collaboration. I'm a pretty young engineer. I spend a lot of time learning from the engineers here who have a lot more experience than me. I'm a hands-on person. Pretty much not a day goes by that I don't get my hands dirty, which is what I love about it. That and the variety. There's nowhere else I think I could go where I would have this variety of work, where I would be able to work on a part design 1 minute and go and do an airbox inspection the next minute. And it's not just all analytical. I'm not responsible for just one part. I have a huge variety. It's always different. It's always changing. It's always exciting. My little corner of Michigan I grew up in, the tracks had all been paved over for walking trails and things like that. I didn't realize that in most of the country this is a very, very alive industry that's still moving and growing and changing. Well, some of the challenges I face is, one, I came in here, I'm part of the engine group. I started out knowing absolutely nothing about engines. Most of my knowledge, other than like mechanical engineering, that kind of background and like understanding the physics and everything, is on-the-job training. I've had the best coworkers. Something about EMD, when I noticed when I first got here, it's very inclusive. They take someone like me who's a young engineer and then they say, here we're doing this, be involved, here's what's going on, and then I learn and then I can contribute. I've had some phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal mentors while I've been here. It's exciting. This industry gets to you, and I can see how it's multi-generational for so many people, that it gets in your blood. It becomes a passion. We're in a very rapidly changing world, and that's how you keep up, and that's how you move forward, and that's like, as our society grows, the technology is going to be what keeps us all going, what helps solve world problems. It's progress. Moving forward and understanding the world and making it better.